The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial finished with the rebuttal closing arguments. Here's what you need to know. Camille Vasquez started the rebuttal closing arguments on behalf of Johnny Depp. Camille started by saying that Amber Heard lied and that she has come too far, she can't back down. She's lied too many times to too many people. She also said that Amber Heard's stories are a constantly changing target and that she's changing her story as time goes on. She said Mr. Depp owns his mistakes, but in this trial, Miss Heard has been confronted with her lies and the damage she has caused. She cannot take any responsibility for the damage she has done. She then went on to list every single one of Johnny Depp's witnesses, as well as their credibility, and say that Amber Heard has called almost all of them liars. She also went on to say that the First Amendment doesn't protect lies that hurt and defame people. And there's the difference. Miss Heard has no right to tell the world that Mr. Depp physically or sexually assaulted her, when it isn't true. She said that in American society, you're innocent until proven guilty. A person's life cannot and should not be destroyed by baseless charge, and no opportunity to defend yourself. She also said that the bad press that Amber Heard has received has nothing to do with the Waldman statements, and that the damages that Amber Heard's legal team presented, based on other comparable actors, made no sense. She said that Miss Heard presented no evidence, none, of any film or other project that she lost because of these statements. In regards to the vulgar text messages that Johnny Depp sent, she said that Johnny has a dark sense of humor, and said that Mr. Depp acknowledged that he shouldn't have sent those text messages, and that using bad language and dark humor doesn't mean you're a violent abuser. Camille also argued that Amber should be held liable for reposting the op-ed. With the statement, "Today I published this op-ed in the Washington Post," and the headline prominently displayed. Ms. Vasquez also said that serious injuries would be more observable in the photos and would have been seen by the witnesses who testified. She also listed all the witnesses that were not on Johnny Depp's payroll, including 3 police officers and Kate Moss. She said what you have at the end is Miss Heard's word. Do you trust it? You can't find that Mr. Depp hit her once. Either he hit her countless times or you can't believe a single word that comes out of her mouth. She said that the evidence overwhelmingly shows that Amber Heard is an abuser, that she lied about Mr. Depp and took on the role of a lifetime as a public figure representing abuse. Ms. Vasquez said she did not deserve that role. And she finished by saying, while you deliberate, ask yourselves, why would Mr. Depp put himself through this? Exposing every embarrassing detail of his life on national television. If he was guilty of anything that Miss Heard accuses him of. After Camille Vasquez finished her 39 minutes of rebuttal closing arguments, Ben Roddenborn presented his 6 minutes of closing arguments. And he responded to the claim that Amber Heard's witnesses, except for her sister, didn't show up for her. He said, they say that no one showed up for her. No one showed up for her, but then they say that these people aren't friends anymore. If they're not friends anymore, why would they be doing what Johnny Depp's attorneys claim is lying for her? Then why would they be corroborating everything she says? He said the evidence shows that she was abused, and that her witnesses support her claims that she was. He asked for the jury to give Amber Heard her voice back, and said, we ask, ladies and gentlemen, that you hold Mr. Depp accountable for his actions. Stand up for victims of domestic violence everywhere who are suffering in silence. Stand up for freedom of speech. Give Amber Heard her voice back. Give Amber Heard her life back. And after that, the jury went into deliberation. In my next video, I'll discuss what the jury is deliberating on and what we can expect moving forward.